hand forge. So it doesn't take, whenever you're doing your final heat up.
This time on Forge Friday, two hillbillies forge a tomahawk out of a ball peen hammer. Will they succeed? Will they fail? Watch and find out. Just messing around, guys. Welcome back to Albright Metalworks. The guys had to forge without me, so here's some video they took for me. This is from last Friday, not this Friday that we just had, so check it out and see what you think.
This one, and we're going to start on our ball peen hammer tomahawks. Good day. Still soaking in there. It's going to be soaking in there for a little bit.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, do me a favor and like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all notifications, and check out our Facebook page. We have a Forge Friday Facebook page, and we also have the Albright Metalworks page. If you'd like to donate, you can go on to albrightmetalworks.com on the Forge Friday page to donate.